Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. I have found the one whom my soul loves. You had me at hello. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. I didn't choose you, my heart did. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. I only want two things in this world. I want you, and I want us. You are my now, my always, and my forever. My heart is and always will be yours. You are the best thing that's ever been mine. Because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. I never want to stop holding your hand. You are my greatest adventure. You're my person. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side. It's always better when we're together. Even on bad days, I'll still be happy with you. Love is a friendship set on fire. You make me feel like the luckiest person alive. Being in your arms feels like home. Your voice is my favorite sound. You're my end and my beginning. We were together. I forget the rest. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. If I know what love is, it is because of you. You complete me. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. You don't marry someone you can live with. You marry someone you can't live without. I love you to the moon and back. My love for you is a journey, starting at forever and ending at never. You are my favorite notification.